Hello there, it feels good to be back after a week. In the last video we have seen how can we make a domino rail on Tinkercad. I got a few suggestions that I can make it much easily. So today we will explore those suggestions and make a level 2 domino rail. I'm Kush from World of Tinkerers. I'm a STEM program developer and an educator, so let's get started. Okay, so this is our workspace where we will develop our work model. We can customize our workspace to 500 and 500. On the right side we have all the elementary shapes. Let's make our domino. Select a cube and resize it to 2.5 mm thickness, 15 mm wide and 25 mm high. Let's select the domino and press Ctrl and D. This will make a duplicate of the shape. Now move the shape with arrow keys. I'm moving it 15 steps back. Again press Ctrl and D. Now you can place as many duplicates as you want. Our first objective is to make a turn with dominoes. Make a duplicate, now 10 steps forward and turn it to 11.25 degrees. Now press Ctrl and D. Amazing, it is creating a turn. Okay, we have taken the turn. Now we can continue the row. Now our second objective, to make a toroidal turn. For this, take a toroid, let's resize it to 80 mm and 80 mm and 15 mm high, change tube to 3. Make a duplicate with Ctrl and D, 5 mm high and change it to whole. Now select both and merge them. Whoa! A hollow ring. Now we just need to get a quarter of this shape. Take a square hole. Resize it till its length and half of radius, align it from one corner. Make a duplicate, turn it to 90 degrees, and align it other corner. Now merge them. Oh great! We have a toroidal turn. Let's just reposition it and put a sphere which will pass through it. Our third and last objective is to make an end to this. Let's copy this row of dominoes, turn it to 90 degrees, and reposition to make it inline with the turn. I'm taking this ball to roll it through the turn and hit the next dominoes. So now, my plan is to make a tall platform carrying a ball which will fall inside a cup. Copy the domino and resize it to 45 mm. To make a platform for a ball, take a cube, change its height to 3 mm and merge it with this tall domino. Make a groove to settle the ball, take a sphere, resize it and reposition it to the top. Merge everything. I have resized the previous domino till the height of next domino. Otherwise, the ball will fall against the momentum. Making a cup is very simple. Take a cylinder, resize it, make a duplicate, reposition the height, change it to whole and merge it. Now reposition this cup in line with ball. Oh, we just forgot to make a trigger. Take a cylinder. Now turn it to 90 degrees, make a duplicate, reposition the height, change it to whole and merge it. Take a sphere of 10 mm radius. Okay, now it's time to check our system. We just need to change these floating elements to static. Now let's play. Oh, it's so amazing and satisfying, I want to rewatch it. This is it for this video. I would request you all to like, share and subscribe so that it could reach more and more audience. You can check my 60-second design prep program. There I discussed about Arduino circuits and many new different creations. Thanks for watching.